For your next heat treatment needs, check out Superheat's SmartFurnace. A SmartFurnace is available in various sizes and models, providing seamless and efficient on-site heat treatment with on-demand availability, putting control and schedule back in your hands. Simply load the furnace with welds requiring heat treatment. Submit a request through our web-based quality assurance and project management platform, SmartView. And once you indicate the site is in a safe condition by unlocking the SmartPack, the SmartCenter does the rest. Monitor live heat cycles from the palm of your hand, and when the heat cycle is finished, simply unload the furnace and retrieve your QA package from SmartView, giving you full visibility into the process. Better, safer, faster. Our SmartFurnace offering improves quality, minimizes risks, saves time, and reduces cost. Superheat, advancing heat treatment for the digital marketplace. Contact us today to see how our SmartFurnace offering can ensure success on your next project.